Welcome back, folks. Once again, it's on. It is time to open another box that I got in the mail. First, I'm gonna open this box. It came from Georgia, and I'm gonna keep his name private. He told me it's fatwood. Let's do the fatwood first. Cool beans, man. Thank you very much. You didn't have to send me this, but I'm gonna light it up. North Carolina, Georgia. And now for the main event. I had this box for at least a week. And this is from Redneck Renegade. Let's do this. Pretty good handles. Check it out, folks. Wow. This is some pretty wood right here, man. I love it. And you did a great job, Redneck Renegade, with your lathe. Very smooth, man. I like it. Much smoother than mine. Very nice. Yeah, let me read the note. Thank you for all your support, brother. The orange and cream ones are yew wood. The others are quilted birch-side maple. Alright, so this is yew wood. This is beautiful, man. Yeah, I like that one. Some more yew wood for the striker. Yeah, I like it. Very nice, man. I like it. Alright, folks, so this is a set for a striker and a ferro rod. This is yew wood. Very beautiful and very smooth. I like the ring. Wow. You spare no expense on buying some excellent wood, Redneck Renegade. And this birch-type maple, man. Wow. This wood is not cheap, that's for sure. Y'all see that, man? That's beautiful. You got the striker. Oh yeah, man. Nice shape too. I like it. Mice Custom Works, Kentucky, USA. I like this shape of knife. Sheep's foot, you could say that. Let's do this. This is North Carolina fatwood. It is sticky, that's for sure. Wow, look at that resin. Redneck Renegade Custom Ferro Rod and Striker. Remember, folks, when you use one of these strikers, you strike it down like you're peeling a carrot. Not like this, not like that. Just like peeling a carrot. Y'all see that? That's how you want to do it. Now for some Georgia fat. Oh yeah, that's hard. Alright folks, I'll leave a link to Redneck Renegade. You do beautiful work, Redneck Renegade. Also, Dave from Mice Custom Works makes beautiful blades, man. I like mine. Alright folks, I'll see you guys in the next video.